Do you have a crowded garden that you would like to tidy up and make more easily accessible come harvest time? Whether you're a beginner or seasoned gardener, stick around, and today we're going to show you how to do just that by building a simple pea trellis. Welcome to Gaia's Garden and DIY. For this project, all you're going to need is twine and 5 6-foot bamboo rods. You start by sticking 2 rods at each end of the row, just on each side of the peas. And then you're going to tie off and secure the tops of them, leaving enough space in the shape of a V to allow the other rod to rest into. Once you place that rod into the V, you just tie it securely to make sure it stays in place. This method can work for a garden or a raised bed, which if you'd like to see how to make a raised bed that's easily dismantled that you can move around, I'll leave a link at the top right. When it comes to peas, you do not necessarily need to trellis them, but as I was saying earlier, it does make harvest time easier and helps tidy up your garden, and when you're dealing with limited space, that helps out. The next thing you do is just take twine, tie it to the top rod, string it to the bottom, pin it in with a garden stake. If the peas have a little bit of length to them already, you want to help them out by kind of wrapping them around the line to help them climb. The tendrils will do most of the work, but from time to time you can have one try to reach across and make its way to the other end of the trellis. So just keep an eye on them, tidy them up, and help guide them. If this video has been helpful so far, go ahead and like and subscribe, turn on notifications to get notified when we post more content. We are a newer channel, but there is a lot more along the way. One of the videos that we already have up though is how to take a random spot in your yard, till organic material into the soil, and make it fertile enough to do what you see here. If you've made it this far, be sure to check the description for links to other pages and special offers. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching.